parts of the long bone, the epiphyseal plate, and even the connective tissue sa skeletal, mugawas gihapon siya ani. So, just to recap, for the long bone, we can recall the parts of the long bone. So you have your diaphysis, metaphysis, epiphyseal plate, and your epiphysis. So again, your epiphysis, it's the site of elongation and rapid cartilage proliferation. Your metaphysis is the site of elongation and widening of your long bone. Si diaphysis or the shaft, muna siya ang center. It's the middle part of your long bone, and it can be cancellous or spongy, and it can be compact bone. So, on another part of the bone, you have here kaning orange, that's your perosteum. Kaning yellow, that's your endosteum. Si perosteum, muna siya ang capsule sa mga bone, and it's made of dense, regular, connective tissues. While your endosteum, it's the layer of your loose connective tissue that lines your marrow cavity. Muna siya ang difference between your perosteum and your endosteum. So, going now to your epiphyseal growth plate, take note, it's only in the long bones of the young animals. So, it's a narrow zone of growth, and it's influenced by the growth hormone during puberty. So, once you grow old, you also stop growing. So, once you reach the end of your puberty, muna gina siya yung height hangtod sa hangtod. It's because once we reduce ang atong growth hormone, mag-reduce ang proliferation. Once it reduces, mag-stop na dayon ang growth plate and mag-close na siya. So for example, in your canine, sa mga dogs ninyo, the epiphyseal growth plate will close at 18 months of age. Pila man ang 18 months? 1 year and 6 months. 6 months. While in your cattle, it's 2.5 years. So 2.5 years old. So once we reach sila anak a certain age, they will stop growing. So kung sa ilang height, open na siya. The same case with the humans, diba? Usually, once you reach the age of 20s, that's the end stage na dili na kamo tubo. So bahala kung saan yung pag-ambang sa new year. If you no longer have growth hormone, then that's really the maximum na ginani mong height na pwede di mo makuha. Okay? Then next, if we're gonna look at the epiphyseal growth plate, you have their different zones. So we have the zone of cartilage, or in the resting zone, the zone of proliferation. So di na sila mag-line up. Zone of maturation, that's the zone of hypertrophy. Si zone of hypertrophy gani mo increase ang ilahang size. And then the zone of ossification or calcification, so that's the time that there is dead cells and mag-calcify or mugahi sila. So, muna siya ang mga zones of your epiphyseal plate. So, in your zone of resting zone ninyo, mostly those are chondrocytes. So, they're not dividing. Under it, it's your zone of proliferation. So, mula nag-proliferate, nidaghan because the cell dividing. Your chondrocytes are dividing, and they are in a form of longitudinal septate. So kanang tawag anong line, that's what we call the longitudinal septate. In the zone